The silent war for the future of money is raging. From Wall Street to Silicon Valley, the battle lines are drawn between traditional banking and the decentralized world of cryptocurrency. This conflict began in 2008, with the global financial crisis shattering trust in established institutions. The rise of Bitcoin, created by the enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto, offered an alternative, a decentralized digital currency beyond government control. Bitcoin's success spawned a crypto revolution. Ethereum and smart contracts expanded the possibilities beyond simple transactions, creating a new landscape of decentralized finance. The NFT boom and the Web3 movement further cemented the shift towards digital ownership and interaction. This revolution challenged traditional banking, forcing institutions to adapt and innovate, or be left behind. However, this digital gold rush isn't without its critics.
Governments worldwide are grappling with regulation. Some banning crypto outright. Others attempting to control it through central bank digital currencies.
The environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining remains a significant concern, fueling debates about sustainability. Meanwhile, powerful figures like Elon Musk can significantly influence market volatility with a single tweet. The dark side of crypto also casts a long shadow. The unregulated nature of the market has attracted criminals, facilitating money laundering, ransomware attacks, and sophisticated scams. The collapse of major exchanges like FTX serves as a stark reminder of the inherent risks involved. Many unsuspecting investors have lost their life savings to fraud and market manipulation. Despite these challenges, the potential of crypto remains immense. In developing countries, crypto offers a pathway to financial inclusion, allowing individuals to bypass traditional banking systems. Web3, NFTs, and the evolution of digital identity promise to reshape our interactions with the digital world, pushing the boundaries of finance and ownership. The future of money remains uncertain. Will cryptocurrencies ultimately replace banks, or will a hybrid model emerge? The answer will depend on technological advancements, regulatory decisions, and, ultimately, the choices we make as individuals and societies. The digital currency war is far from over. The question is, who will win?